Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video from Christy's Beautiful Life. It's the best of 30 days of sketches, and so today is June 24th, so I am doing series 8, day 18, and it's from Miss Kramer from the Hip Kit. So that sketch is got 3 sim lines and a line going down the middle and it looked like it was probably one of their winter sketches that they did over at the Hip Kit Club. Now what I did is that I flipped it. I flipped the sketch around and got the line going down the middle or down the side. And this collection is from Close to My Heart. While I looked this up before I used this collection, and unfortunately I'm not seeing it but a few little pieces of paper and some of the embellishments left. But I will link down below all of my information for Close to My Heart, and there's still some super gorgeous collections that I would love for you to go look at and see what you think you could use. And so here I am taking, so what I did is that I cut out some embellishments from one of the papers a while ago, and I'm just using up what I have. So what I did is that some of these flowers match up what's on the paper. So I did a 3D effect with it. So I lined them up with the flowers on there to give them like this extra effect to it. But first I need to do my paints. I wanted to do a black splatter on there. Now they do have paint swatches. That's what the 3 lines are in the sketch. But I decided that I wanted to use up some of my collections that are older in my stash because the new catalog for Close to My Heart is coming out in August, and there are quite a bit of collections that I am looking at purchasing through Close to My Heart. So I am trying to use up what I have just to be able to say, yep, it's done. I can't use it no more. And plus it is a spending freeze. If you're not sure what that is, that'll be linked down below as well. And so I have not spent anything in June on crafty related things other than for Close to My Heart, because that's my business. I need to, because if I don't, you guys don't see it. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. Like and subscribe to the channel. This weekend, today, when I'm doing this voiceover, is my last day of school. So I am now going to focus on getting my 3,000 subscriber giveaway winners up. So that is coming soon. And then I am going to be able to focus really hard on my channel to give you guys all the content until school starts again. But I am super close of being done with grad school, and then my focus is no longer grad school, and it will be my YouTube channel and my business. And I'm super excited to be saying that because I've got so much stuff that I have planned, and I've been working on it in the works. So I'm excited. I cannot wait to announce some of the new things that will be coming to my shop, my website, Close to My Heart, all of that stuff. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Because I rounded 6 years in the making of Close to My Heart, and I'm just like, I can't wait to show what I'm going to be doing next and going further with Close to My Heart and all of that fun stuff. So here I am. I'm using all of the goodies that I have kind of left over. My title's going to be It's a Good Life. And KJ's got a smirk on her face with some, I don't know what she's trying to do. So it's a fitting title and a fitting picture for this. So I'm just going through now and using the stickers. I love what Close to My Heart does. Not only do they give us embellishments and all of that fun stuff, they give us a 12 by 12 full of stickers and just enough papers to get out. I've now used this collection on 6 layouts, y'all. It is just 6 papers, double-sided, the embellishments that I got, and then obviously I used the black cardstock that goes around. Now that doesn't come in a collection, but y'all know that's just something I do. I constantly have to have that. So I'm just saying, in the respect, I absolutely love how this turns out. And I hope that you enjoy it. Make sure that you go check the link down below where Christy does her 30 days of sketches. I'm so grateful that I was able to do every Friday. And I've got a very special one coming up on my channel for the best of 30 days of sketches. So that's coming. That will be coming next week. And all of that fun stuff. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys are enjoying. I'm taking these little hearts and placing them everywhere. I know you probably can't really see them. I'm working on these little light bulbs because I saw the one light bulb in like the little collage on the side. So I wanted to achieve a couple more light bulbs just to add something a little bit extra to the page. And I'm just tucking them in certain spots. I think that they just fit kind of peeking out of the areas. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day and all of that fun stuff. I'm just hemming and hawing right here. This is what took me the longest, is this right here is trying to embellish. For whatever reason, like at the end, I should say. Then in the end, I finally figured it out. I'm going to leave a butterfly there. I just needed something a little bit smaller, I guess, in that respect. So here I am. I'm going to take my doodle thing and doodle along the edge like I always do. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.